Vihdoin löydettiin valmentaja haastatteluun. Hi, welcome. What's your name?
Andre.
Hi, Andre. And what team do you coach?
I'm coaching FC Helios.
Yeah.
It's a team based in Tartu.
Tartu. Okay.
So I came from Portugal to work with this team.
From Portugal?
From Portugal,
originally.
yeah.
Great. So you have roots in Portuguese football?
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome, awesome. What age kids do you coach at the moment?
At the moment I'm coaching 2001 and 2002.
Great. How did the tournament go for them this time?
This time we just brought the team from 2002. We got the third place.
Third place.
So it was, according with our objectives, it was okay. It could be better, of course, but
that's good. And I'm sure the boys enjoyed themselves.
Yeah, they enjoyed, of course.
And that's the main thing. Play football and enjoy, right?
Play football, enjoy the game. Met guys from, they have met guys from Ukraine, Finland, Russia. Come on, they're happy. That's the magic of football.
That's the magic of football. Great. Thanks. And I'll just wrap this up with one question. Okay. Who do you think is going to win the World Cup in soccer, in football?
I hope that Brazil will win the World Cup. I'm supporting Brazil.
I hope Brazil wins too, so we're on the same page.
So that's amazing.
Let's shake on that. Thank you very much.